Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai work permits and condo rentals. And for those frequent watchers of this channel, no, this is not I didn't accidentally put up the same video twice. We're making another video on this because we're clarifying some things. I was speaking in generalities in a prior video when talking about Thai work permits and whether or not one who is renting out a Thai condo, even one that they own, whether they needed a work permit to do that in Thailand. And actually a mentor of mine, a really good, close friend, been a friend of mine for a number of years here in Thailand, very insightful person, brought up the fact that under prior circumstances, there have been situations where it was adjudicated that renting out a condo was considered a service under Thai law, and therefore a service for foreign business law purposes, and therefore, work authorization was inherently required in order to engage in the activity of renting condos in Thailand, even if one owned the condo, that the act itself can be construed to be something that requires a work permit. Now, the question is, if one is offshore and they own their condo, does that require a work permit? I would say no. Again, it may be circumstantially dependent, but long story short, and it really is kind of one of those gray areas, but it was pointed out to me, and I will stand corrected when I need to, that it's not such a gray area in the sense that it has been previously determined that this is a service for purposes of foreign business, and therefore it is a service which requires that the person undertaking it, if they're a foreign national, must be work authorized.